So this is an ultrasonic object detector which consists of an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, an LED light with a resistor, and an Arduino board. The working principle of this ultrasonic sensor is that it consists of a transmitter and a receiver. So the transmitter first emits the signals, which then when detects an object in front of it, so it sends back the signals to the receiver, which then transmits the signal to the Arduino board, and according to the program it works further. So in my case there is a buzzer and LED light. So whenever this ultrasonic sensor detects an object, so this buzzer starts beeping and the LED light starts to glow. So here on the screen you can see a code which I use for this project. So these are the codes, and now I would like to show the performance for this project. So here you can see whenever an object come near to the ultrasonic sensor, this buzzer starts beeping and the LED light also glows. So there is an limited distance for the object detection. So in the Arduino code, I have set the distance to 5 centimeters. So whenever an object come near to the distance of 5 centimeters, so it detects an object and it starts beeping. So here one more output we can get from this ultrasonic sensor is that we can see the real-time distance for any object placed in front of this sensor. So currently in the serial monitor of this Arduino program, you can see that it shows a distance of 9 cm, which means that an object is currently placed 9 cm away from this ultrasonic sensor in a real time. So but you can see that an object is placed in front of the ultrasonic sensor, but here you can see that the buzzer is not beeping and also an LED light is not working. So it means that I have set a limit of 5 cm, because in the code I have set a limit of 5 cm. So it means that whenever an object comes 5 cm closer to this ultrasonic sensor, so it starts beeping, it will start working. So you can see that when the object is come very near to this ultrasonic sensor, so the codes work and this whole process works. And so this is a demonstration of my project. Thank you.